This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you can recover access without your phone number, export chats, or note important contacts now. Open Telegram, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. This is where phone visibility and recovery options live. Once done, make sure you've set a username and linked an email if available, because removing a number can affect two-step recovery. These first actions prevent lockout and let you proceed safely to hide or remove your phone number. Now change how your number is shown and used. In Privacy Phone Number, select Nobody to hide it from others or My Contacts to limit visibility. Next, adjust Who can find me by number to My Contacts or Nobody to stop searches. Disable Sync Contacts to prevent upload of your address book, then clear uploaded contacts from the same menu. These steps decouple your account from the phone number, while keeping the account active and searchable only by allowed people. Finish by either changing your account number or using Telegram's Change Number tool in Settings. Edit Profile Change Number to migrate to a new phone number. If you intend to remove the number entirely, set up two-step verification and an email first, because recovery options matter. Once done, verify login on another device. If anything goes wrong, you can't log in or lost verification. Contact Telegram support promptly and be ready to re-add the old number or provide verification details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.